Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So in the first step we need to open Google web browser and then just clear all the browsing data. After that we need to just press Windows key plus R key together to open run. Once we are here, we need to type here temp and click on OK. So click on continue, and once we are here, just we need to select all these files from the temp folder. So press Ctrl plus A key together to select all these files, then right click on it and select delete. So once done, close this window. Again press Windows key plus R key together, and this time type in %temp% and click on OK. Again select all these files together, right click on it and select delete. Check this box and click on continue. Again check this box and click on skip. So once done, close this window, just restart the system and your problem will be solved. You're good to go.